In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect a PS5 controller to a PC here on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But essentially, there is two methods that you can do this. The first method, in my opinion, is the most reliable because you're also going to have less input lag. But essentially, what you're going to want to do is use a wired connection. So on a PS5 controller, it connects with USB-C. Essentially, plug one end into your PC and that other end into your controller, and from here you'll have immediate connection. The PC will recognize that it is a PS5 controller, and from here you can load up any game and the game will recognize it as well, as long as it does have controller support. That being said, there is another method as well, using Bluetooth. If you do not want a wired connection, essentially all you need to do is hit this little search button down here, type in settings and open it up, and from here go into Bluetooth and devices and make sure that you have Bluetooth on. After doing so, go ahead and select devices and then hit the pairing button on your PS5 controller and wait for it to go ahead and pop up. It'll pop up in this other devices section here. Go ahead and select it and you'll be good to go. I will say this isn't as stable, so just keep that in mind. A wired connection will always be better, but it is still pretty good if you don't want to use a wired connection. If you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.